Started here. Oh no, looks like we're having some issues with our monitors.
Good evening.
Uh-oh.
My name is Megan, and I'd like to welcome you on board the Terror Tram. Good job. Terror. That implies someone or something that inspires fear. I guess that's me. We'll be underway in just a second, but before we depart, I need to go over some rules for your safety and comfort. Please remain seated at all times while the tram is in motion, keeping arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Did you know 30% of accidental amputations can be attributed to people sticking their arms out of moving vehicles? Just a fun fact. If you have any small children with you tonight, I really have to question your parenting choices. Please make sure that they are seated towards the center of the aisle, away from the tram gates. If you have an emergency of any kind, please pull the red emergency cord overhead, and I'll be back to assassinate you. Assist you. Have a great time, everyone. Surprise.
Nothing burns like the cold. Nothing burns like the cold. It's ice.
Stop! Sorry. I can't see nothing. I can't see anything.
You want to see a magic trick? What you made me do. Look 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 what you made me do.
Right there.
To the party, cupcake. You're a little late to the party, cupcake. Alright, meatheads, let's get this party started. sure you fully realize your predicament. I'm not sure you fully realize your predicament. Realize your predicament. I've read the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've read the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way. You die. I've read the simulation 1,000 times and it always ends the same way.
Fast Fries Pizza.
Definitely not the Freddy's I remember.
You're thinking of the franchise location. This is the original. Nobody's been here for decades. Some little girl got murdered here.
We're after we did Harry Potter.
There's
There's Terrifier and Poltergeist right there. Where we
That's what I
get
said.
past the gate.
That's what I said.
So this is what it's like? Being normal?
I think we've come pretty far, considering what we've been through.
How's Abby?
Some days she's good, some days she misses her friends.
This story that you're gonna fix those animatronics? It's only giving her false hope.
Can any of you hear me?
Abby, help us. Come find us. I will show you the way.
They're out there, Mike.
Where?
Everywhere.
Where are you going, Bond? We're not done with you.
That's why they were at. There's no way that'll work.
Five Nights at Freddy's 2 is in theaters everywhere on December 5th. And congratulations, y'all. Y'all survived.